The wild doesn't care about your gear. You can buy a gadget for every problem, but all that stuff just weighs you down. The real secret, not more gear, just the right gear. Efficiency is key, a minimalist integrated system where every item earns its place. Each piece must be versatile, tough, and lightweight. This isn't just a list, it's a philosophy for moving fast, staying prepared, and truly enjoying the wild. Today, I'll break down the definitive 15-piece summer camping system for 2025, what to bring and why it matters. Let's get started. First up, shelter. For summer backpacking, a double-wall freestanding tent is essential. Double wall means condensation stays off you, and freestanding means you can pitch anywhere, rocky ground, wooden platforms, you name it. Lightweight materials keep your pack manageable. Mesh inner tents give you ventilation and bug protection, and you can stargaze on clear nights. This tent is your microclimate, your barrier against rain, wind, and insects. Don't skimp here. Your shelter is the foundation of your system. Double wall for dryness, freestanding for versatility, lightweight for mobility. It's not just a tent, it's your sanctuary. Choose wisely. Skip the tent footprint, bring a flat tarp instead. It's your ground sheet, rain shelter, sunshade, emergency shelter, and gear organizer. String it up for a dry kitchen or lounge, or pitch it as a backup shelter if your tent fails. Use it as a clean surface for sorting gear or as a sunshade on hot days. Choose a lightweight silnylon or sil-poly tarp, about 2.5 by 1.5 meters, with plenty of tie-outs. Packs down small, weighs almost nothing, and does the job of 5 different items. The flat tarp is pure versatility. Ditch the one-trick pony footprint. One tarp, endless uses. That's smart packing. Your sleeping pad is what keeps the cold ground from draining your heat. For summer, get an insulated air pad with an R value between 2 and 4. Modern pads are light, compact, and use clever materials to reflect your body heat. Thickness matters. 5 to 7 centimeters cushions you from rocks and roots. Use a pump sack to inflate, keeps moisture out and extends pad life. A good pad means real rest, better decisions and more energy. It's not a luxury, it's essential survival science. Treat your pad as critical gear. Ditch the sleeping bag, use a top quilt. Sleeping bags waste insulation under you. A quilt works with your pad for warmth and saves weight. Quilts let you sprawl, regulate temperature and adapt to changing conditions. Look for a quilt rated around 4-5 degrees Celsius with a footbox and pad straps. Down is best for weight, but synthetics excel in damp conditions. The quilt is lighter, smarter and more comfortable for summer. It's not just less weight, it's more freedom. Sleep better, move lighter. Your backpack is your mobile base camp. Go for an internal frame pack, 50-65 litres big enough for essentials, small enough to prevent overpacking. Fit is everything. Measure your torso, adjust the harness, and let your hips carry the load. Simple features, big main compartment. Stretchy side pockets and a mesh front pocket for wet gear. Avoid packs with endless zippers and pockets, they add weight and complexity. The frame transfers weight to your legs, making tough terrain easier. A well-fitted pack moves with you, not against you. Simplicity, fit and a solid frame, choose wisely. Your pack is your partner. When you're tired and hungry, a hot meal is a game changer. Use an integrated canister stove system. Burner, pot and heat exchanger in one. Fast boil times, wind protection and fuel efficiency. Just screw it onto a canister, lock the pot and ignite. Done. Perfect for boiling water for dehydrated meals or coffee. The pot's insulated cozy lets you eat or drink straight from it. Minimal fuss, minimal fuel, maximum speed, hot food, fast, every time. Water is life, but it needs to be safe. The squeeze filter is a game changer, lightweight, fast and easy. Fill a bottle, screw on the filter, squeeze and drink. No waiting, no chemicals. Hollow fiber membranes block bacteria and protozoa. Backflush to clean and it'll last for years. Carry less water, filter as you go, save weight. The squeeze filter is minimalist, reliable and essential. Never skip water safety. Your cook pot should do it all. Pot, bowl and mug. A 750 milliliters titanium pot is perfect. Light, strong and just the right size. Volume markings let you measure water precisely. No extra cup needed. Lid speeds up boiling, folding handles keep your hands safe. Eat, drink and cook from one pot. Rinse and repeat. Titanium means no metallic taste and ultra-light weight. One pot, three jobs, functional minimalism at its best. Smart choices save weight and space. One utensil, the long-handled titanium spork. Spoon and fork in one, with a handle long enough for deep meal pouches. No messy hands, no wasted food. Titanium is strong, light and won't break. Use it to eat, stir or scrape your pot clean. One tool, all meals. No backups needed. Details matter. This spork makes eating easy and efficient. Invest in quality and you'll never need another. Your clothing is your wearable shelter. Think layers, not bulk. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, merino or synthetic never cotton. Add a lightweight fleece or synthetic puffy for insulation. Top it off with a waterproof, breathable shell for wind and rain. Each layer works together for proactive temperature control. Avoid sweating, manage heat by adding or removing layers. This three-part system adapts to any summer weather. Stay dry, warm and comfortable. Layer smart, stay safe. When night falls, a reliable LED headlamp is essential. Hands-free light means safer camp chores and navigation. Go for at least 300 lumens, bright enough for any task. Adjustable brightness and red light mode preserve night vision and battery. Always carry spare batteries or a power bank. Waterproof, robust and from a trusted brand. Your headlamp extends your day and keeps you safe. Don't get caught in the dark. A cutting tool is fundamental. Choose a locking blade knife or a minimalist multi-tool. Knife simple, strong, safe. Multi-tool adds pliers and screwdrivers for repairs. Both should be lightweight and reliable. Used for food prep, gear repair, fire making and first aid. Keep it sharp, dull blades are dangerous. This tool is for fine tasks, not chopping trees. It's your problem solver in the wild. Respect it, maintain it, and it'll serve you well. One tool, endless uses. Injuries happen. Be ready with a custom first aid kit. Focus on blister care, moleskin, tape, and quality bandages. Add personal meds, painkillers, antihistamines, and anti-diarrhea tablets. Ditch bulky packaging. Use a waterproof bag. Knowledge is as important as gear. Take a wilderness first aid course. Treat issues early to prevent bigger problems. Your kit is compact, focused, and ready for real-world use. You are your own medic. Be prepared. Smart first aid saves trips. Navigation is non-negotiable. Use both digital and analog tools. Smartphone GPS or dedicated unit for real-time tracking. Download maps before you go. Always carry a physical map and compass as backup. No batteries, no signal needed. Learn to read maps and take bearings. Practice before you need it. Stay aware of your surroundings. Note landmarks and compare to your map. Triple redundancy. GPS, map and compass, and your own awareness. Navigation is skill plus tools. Know where you are, where you're going, and how to get back. That's true preparedness. Summer means bugs, mosquitoes, ticks, and biting flies. Defend yourself with a two-part system. Treat clothes with permethrin. Use DEET or picaridin on exposed skin. Permethrin kills bugs on contact. Spray it on clothes before your trip. DEET is classic but oily. Picaridin is just as effective and gear safe. Cover skin, relax and enjoy the evening. No swatting, no itching. This combo is your shield against disease and discomfort. Don't let bugs ruin your trip. Protect yourself properly. 15 pieces, one integrated system, each item works with the others. This is a philosophy of efficiency and freedom, not just a gear list. True preparedness is about knowledge and smart choices, not pack weight. Scrutinize every item if it's not essential or versatile. Leave it. Pack lighter, travel farther, and enjoy more. The less you carry, the more you notice the world, the wild, yourself. Your gear should liberate you, not burden you. Now get out there and experience it.